Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account that held the deleted searches. This is crucial because recovery is account-specific. Once signed in, make sure device sync and two-step verification are set so you can access archived logs. Now open My Activity. Google.com and immediately use the filter to select YouTube and set a wide date range. This surfaces any retained activity. You do this because YouTube search entries sometimes persist in Google activity even after local deletion. Next, search within My Activity for likely keywords or approximate timestamps. That helps you pinpoint retained search items quickly. If you see entries, use the three-dot menu to view details and choose Export to save a record. If results are sparse, open Google Takeout, include YouTube and related search data, and request an export. Choose JSON or HTML for easier parsing. You do this because exports can capture backend records that the front-end history no longer shows. Finally, open the downloaded archive and extract search entries and timestamps. Parsing JSON or HTML reveals exact queries. Then cross-check these against browser history, device logs, or synced devices to verify accuracy. If the searches aren't present, make sure activity controls weren't set to auto-delete or disabled. These settings prevent recovery. If you still can't find needed entries, contact Google Account Support or submit an account recovery/help request.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.